What up, YouTube? Welcome to Dips World, baby. Let's get it. Yes, sir. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna start piecing this thing back together. I guess it's supposed to be like somewhat of a snowstorm coming in a couple of days, possibly tomorrow. And they saying after that snowstorm leave, the temperature's supposed to drop down tremendously. So, and I'm out here working in an uninsulated garage with no heat. So I'm gonna try to get most of this stuff done I can in this episode. Hopefully, maybe possibly all of it. I highly doubt it, just because stuff goes up. It's easier to tear stuff apart than it is to put it back together, especially with fresh paint. So I'm gonna just go at it one piece at a time, try to get it done. Stay tuned. Peace. Up on to the next piece, which is this piece right here. Gotta get that put back together, and then that stuff can go on. This what we got on now. We got this on. So the next thing to do is start putting back the inner frame, which is right here. We got to start with the glove box doors. Am I gonna start with the glove? Maybe not. Probably put the actual glove box doors on last, but I gotta put the glove box hinges on first, so because you can't put them on after everything on. So yeah, stay tuned. Next thing we're gonna do is get these GS18s out. One on blow. I can't remember which one it is, but one of them is definitely blow. But this is I'm gonna say my 3rd year on them. So, I mean, they held up pretty good, and I'm talking about miles. I ain't talking about no sitting in the garage. I'm talking about actual miles on them. So they did pretty good. So I'm gonna get these out, swap them out with the new ones, and then I'll be back. Yes, sir. So we got them 6.5s in, new DS18s. After that, we're gonna get to the putting the structure back on the inner frame, which this is all the, you know, like the inner frame housing bracket. So we're gonna get that back on, put the vents back in, and then put the inner frame and stuff back together. So yeah, stay tuned. not set the camera up while I'm getting this on there. Only me. Only me. But I got it on there. I got to bolt it up now. So that's the next thing. Is bolting it up. It's not all the way on there yet, but it's almost there. So yeah. Keep watching. I need to come down just a little bit. Yeah, so what I'm doing now is I'm trying to get all these wires and music and stuff hooked back up. So that's what I'm going through now. I'm getting there slowly but surely. So this is what we got so far. We got the front fairing back on, all the music hooked back up. I haven't been doing a lot of stuff with the camera on just because this temperature is starting to drop and it is a little bit of snow on the way. So I'm trying to get it done. It's cold out here. I ain't got time to be recording, but I appreciate y'all continuing to watch. And I'm gonna let this camera go, let it roll, and I'm gonna get this thing buttoned up. Peace. Yes, sir. Finally got it done. Got it put back together. I'll tell you, it was a lot of work, but it was well worth it. I think I can get faster with the next one I do, just to knock it out quicker. I've taken them off before, but just putting it back together without scratching it or being extra careful is the major part. That's why I just take my time. But yeah, check it out. There it is. Well worth the money. I think Fern Exchange charges like $1,000. That's for them changing out everything. That's for this right here, this piece right here, painted black. Depending on the color, probably starting at $1,000. But yeah, it's well worth the money. And that's what you ride. When you ride and you're looking at your tank and your dash, the rest of the bike you don't even see. So those two pieces gotta be sharp. So yeah, appreciate y'all watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Peace.